guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. If you don't know me already, my name is Luna and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your door. So as you can see, I am wearing a raincoat because you have to have a sponge, and when you use a sponge it's going to get very wet in this place. So it's very important that you make sure that you stay dry because I'm going to be going out. I can't speak straight after this, so I've got to make sure that everything is nice and clean. So I hope that you appreciate my outfit choice. I love red. I actually love pink, but this is all that they have in the store. But I will accept it because this is nice too. What you're going to do is you're going to clean in round circular motions. And we're just going to start from the top. I don't think you can even see my cleaning. So I'm going to start from the bottom right over here. And just make sure that you just do round circular motions because that is important. And make sure to get all of the corners, like that, and this corner, and this corner. And we are remaining very dry because we are wearing a raincoat. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, love ya.